I'm not in support of say you do anywhere, the foot them, you know, can get engaged. One night is dangerous. And I will tell you, Chioma, they are calm down. The Pedro is a superstar. There are many people outside that even want them just to give me and they go and want the Pekin and take it off the Pekin just to know it's from the video. And before you marry the video, you know I'm saying you don't they give freely everywhere.
Yeah, of course.
Welcome to Touch Place TV. It's your boy Chisco City, Omini blogger.
You carry a Chisom, your favorite girl. Don't touch the
how when I care? It started the show, you don't call me. It started the show, you don't call me. But I enter by force by fire.
Yeah.
My name is Malam Sani, Sunanane Malam Sani, aka Mulungu.
Yes.
I don't introduce myself.
Yes, you're welcome. Malam Sani.
Continue.
All right.
Yes.
We'll just be talking about the latest Davido and Chioma gist.
The hottest Amebo in town.
Waiting happen, but we don't read some things online and we won't talk about them.
Well, me, I know what can happen.
You know
I'm everywhere.
All right. So, viewers will know what happened along the line now. So, but waiting me, I've been read actually. We say like I hear say Davido go give in X. We like call her X.
In baby mama.
In
baby mama.
Bele.
In baby,
so
one of his baby mama.
Yes, what do you guys have to say about this?
Because
it has really been tensioning the internet.
The breakdown of the thing is the girl is a fire before. Okay. We give her Fikin.
Okay.
After he don't marry Chioma, he go back there. He fire. How about that guy? He come home Fikin too. Okay. Many people say different thing. So people say the Davido is a everywhere. I say it's not good.
He's a public.
So people talk away. It's a man. Okay. Haka say it's a man. As a man, your something is for plenty people.
No. And as a celebrity again, in a celebrity.
We have talk, man.
That celebrity, you understand? So definitely, and men usually we date polygamous. So you know, expect say in go see Peking now for that baby mama house. In can come there sleep over. Haba. If go there, Abba, ain't go one touch us. It's
from a male perspective.
Yeah.
Let's hear from the woman.
All right.
Chisco.
Okay.
As a man, why can't you stick to your one wife? Should people talk and say now one man, one wife, and you married one wife, you made it official.
Now everything.
Why can't you stick to one wife?
Now everything.
Why you not go stay?
Make you land.
Why you not go follow one wife? The wife where you marry, where you don't give assurance, say nah you marry him. Waiting can happen. Why do you betray the trust the woman has for you, the love she has for you? At least you have made her the chosen one. We know you had a lot of baby mamas and the rest.
You are talking away what it do is bad.
It's bad. As the wife, I will feel very bad. I will feel very bad.
Among him took something. Okay. It took away is a celebrity.
I hope say once they bear, always they bear.
We go nowhere.
You know that one. You know that
always,
once they bear, always they bear.
It's obvious that he's a public. He's a public something.
This
is a public something.
One is a hate speech. You hear what he talk? He get to one thing. What they call Okapo's law. Okapo's law is that once David, as he talk, it's always David. Now they talk away all the firewood in order to take the bone. You see, say the woman when you don't go back, go fire. Now woman when you don't the fire.
I hope saying no go best when your wife too begin fire for another side.
It's a different thing.
I hope
the law covers
the man.
You understand?
The man.
You are allowed to cheat as a man.
Hey!
It is not legal. You know
that Allah make it just go explain this one. You say something now. It is they are allowed to your wife is a trouble.
No.
That Allah break it down.
Okay. Why I thought
you can be sued for cheating, no, Oga.
No, you can't be sued for cheating.
In Nigeria. That Allah, madam, I will come to you.
Okay.
Break it down.
Why I thought say now men they allowed to cheat, but because of our polygamous. We are polygamous in nature. Let me just sum up. And now you not go expect person like Davido. How about Davido? He go perform for Sweden. You not go expect him go sleep alone.
Wallahi, I am not supporting Cisco City. He took one thing where he be like saying the truth. He took away men are polygamous in nature. Because I took one thing before. I said one man in 9 months, if he get 100 children, he go do the fire. He have the capacity. I'm going somewhere before I give you the microphone. He has the capacity. When he fire here, he fire here, he fire here. In 9 months, he can have 100 children. Can a woman have 100 children? And you know when a man is agile and he has the money, talk about it.
I can't
talk. I will come back to you.
My own is, you are a celebrity. You should give yourself a good name. You are a public figure. I beg, stand out and be good. Don't come and be doing anyhow. Be living nonsense life.
So you believe that a man is not polygamous in nature?
What kind of polygamous?
I will talk about that when we're rounding off.
What kind of polygamous is that one? That's what you could use to deceive yourself and be saying men are polygamous in nature. If it is like that, then everybody is polygamous in nature.
You see why women?
Okay, I will come back to that point.
I was reading through my Twitter bar, so I can't read something. This comfort_Gabriel can talk say Chioma and Annie two-face wife, need to meet. Make Annie tell him how to handle all this drama, because Chioma isn't living that marriage, so make she just dey endure. Cause belle fit enter set for her.
Who they live with?
Who they live anywhere? What do you feel about that advice?
We died there.
I want to tell you something. Now. It took away if a man is polygamous in nature, that the woman too will be polygamous.
Everybody become polygamous in nature.
In the comment section, let me, if you believe what I talk. When a man, I'm not advising promiscuity, but when a man he fire 3 girls for the same area, he come fire 5 girls. They go say, "Kai, bad guy, wallahi, you are fire 5 of them. You are a bad guy." And when a woman, they know I'm saying, even fire 2 people for the same situation, they go call them. What did I go call the woman?
The picture where the society they try to pick up women.
Let us round off.
Society make them legal.
Let us round off.
Men we cheat.
Kagenoko?
Very simple.
It's his point, but I'm not saying you should cheat, but Allah, don't tag me.
No, we are not saying you guys
don't tag me like that. Society,
please, guys.
I did
this is why they are talking about equality. This is why they are talking about equality.
Come, let us close.
What the society is doing to the women folk is not encouraging at all. It's not.
In 1 minute or 30 seconds. Okay. What is your last talk on that matter?
Okay, my last talk, but waiting actually do no good. I no go actually like accept say it did good, but still. The internet no even supposed to go right about the matter, because now in baby mama and I still get access to the woman. So it is what it is, man. It is what it is, man.
It is what it be. What is your comment?
My talk on this is, as the wife, you're living nowhere for any side chick. You stay in your home, you are the chosen one, we die there. No leave, no transfer.
Well, I want to wrap off like this. I am not in support of say you do anywhere, the foot them, you know, can get engaged. One is dangerous. And I will tell you, my and come down. The Pedro is a superstar. There are many people outside that even want them just to give me and they go and want the Pekin and take it off the Pekin just to know it's from the video. And before you marry the video, you know I'm saying you don't they give freely everywhere.
Of course.
And sometimes the religion is the problem. Where I come from Zampara. From Zampara, I have 3 wives. One come my house this week is stay. The second wife, they know they fight. Even this Abuja where I come. And they find a port wife. In case you love me in the comment section, that's a telling me and you're a woman. So don't give me woman. So if we can live together, Baby Do, the other one, and I think Baby Do should marry all of them.
The women should just learn to live with.
I won't go for more.
Forget that.
Finish them. I won't go.
All right, guys.
All right. Thanks for watching this episode of Amebo Talk Show on Touchblaze TV.
Yes, like, comment, share. My name is Victoria Tisom, your favorite girl, and
it's still the Omini blogger.
Cisco City. See you guys. Bye.